So I've been gone for a few days, and over those few days, a few packages has kind of accumulated downstairs. Now, it's two that stuck out by a long shot, and I wanted to tell y'all that I got today, and I'm excited because it's a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, it's a little different, so it's definitely gonna bring some variety to the collection. I do wanna say, like, one of the best feelings of, you know, creating content, I used to watch every sneaker content creator who made videos, big or small, before I started my own channel, and one of the coolest things in the world to me was when they was getting these seeded packages from so many companies like Champ Sports, Nike, Puma, you name it. And I thought that was like the coolest thing in the world. Now to fast forward, it's kind of like cool to be in a position where, you know, you work with these brands because it's like, yo, I used to stand outside for hours for this pair of Air Jordans, and now, you know, Foot Locker might send them for free. You know, it's definitely humbling, man, and I'm super excited. So just know if you're an upcoming content creator, or if you just, you know, enjoy sneakers or love sneakers, or if you're new to my channel, man, the grind has been long, bro. It's definitely been a long grind, slow grind, but hey, we here today, man. So let's break down some of these sneakers that we got inside the studio today. All right, so first off, we're gonna start off with a Puma. Puma sent this over, and I think it was like last week. I'm a little bit late, so sorry, Puma, if you checking this out. But this one was cool because it kind of had a spin on a very popular sneaker that's out right now, which is, all right, I know y'all think I'm crazy. I'm gonna show y'all first. All right, so this is, I wanna get the name right, okay? This is the Puma Slipstream, okay? This is the Slipstream. The braces be messing me up every time. This is the Puma Slipstream. Now, what I want y'all to do is check out the silhouette of this shoe and comment down below, what does this sneaker remind you of? And I think that they did a good job of creating their own, but it still had a big remnants on a sneaker that's doing pretty well right now for a specific brand. The Slipstream is pretty cool. It's basic. It's not even like a dad shoe, but I guess it will be Puma's version of a dash shoe because the silhouette is close enough to be a dash shoe. Now they got a few different colors of these out. I seen some people got seeded different colors. I know some people got seeded like a white and maroon colorway. Luckily, I got the white and black colorway because I believe this is the best colorway in my opinion. White and black, you can't go wrong with this. Leather quality is pretty good on the toe box. It's butter. The toe box, hey, look, bro, the toe box is butter, bro. Not gonna hold you. Not even to mention the tumble leather that's going around the toe cap. See if y'all can see that real quick. I don't know. The white be kind of hard to. Bro, is it the camera? I don't know, bro. L camera, bro. L camera in the comment section. Anyway, it's tumble leather around the toe cap. It's tumble leather on the Puma logo. Like I said, white, black, Puma Slipstream. This shoe definitely reminds me of the New Balance 550. I'm just being honest with y'all. This silhouette is definitely close to it. The New Balance 550 has been doing amazing. It's a sneaker that a lot of people wear on their day-to-day, and they even use college colorways or basic colorways or color blockage like white, red, white, green, the same way that the Nike Dunks do it. So, I mean, in my opinion, Nike has the Nike Dunk, New Balance have the 550, and I believe it's like a 650. And, you know, now Puma is coming to the game with their own sneaker that kind of reminds me of that, which is the Puma Slipstream. And I know a lot of people, you know, think I be capped when it comes to these Pumas, but I really like Pumas. Like, a lot of these are hard. And when I play basketball, no cap, the only shoe I play basketball in right now as we speak, ask anybody who know me, is the Puma. I'm either hooping in a pair of Mellows or I'm hooping in a Dreamer. No ifs, ands, or buts about it, bro. It's either a Mellow or a Dreamer, no between. Next up, we got a pair of sneakers and I'm really excited about because I thought this brand forgot about your boy. I haven't got anything from them in a minute. By the way, man, if you follow me on Instagram, then you probably see some of this content before it hits YouTube. I do like daily content or like daily vlogs on my IG reel. So make sure you follow me on Instagram if you've not already done that. But shout out to Adidas, man. Adidas sent over this package in this cool packaging because it's like cheetah print all over. It got the Adidas logo, and then you see the Pharrell Human Race logo on the other end of the box. And I thought it was cool because it's been a while since I got something from Adidas, so I was excited. As we open this up, it comes with a card, you know what I'm saying? It's nothing cooler than, like, you know, working with brands and they like got the handwritten note, like, bro, it's fire. Sniper Jones, a bold take on Adidas staple. Enjoy the newest Human Race NMD animal print orange, your Adidas Originals fam. So shout out to Adidas. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Thank y'all for showing love as always. This is the Adidas cheetah print orange with the green laces, bro. God, these are fire. Now look, I say the best for last. There's only two sneakers. This is the second one. Colorway. For people who don't know, my favorite color is orange. That is my favorite color. Cheetah print, I think it's hard. And to make it even better, man, these green laces turn this shoe into something completely different. I think they knew what they was doing with that because the secondary lace that it comes with is orange laces. But like I said, judging by the green laces and how it makes it pop, and they even put like some orange lace tips to kind of bring it back together, there's no looking back. Orange on orange is way too weak. The green definitely makes it pop a lot. It even got some 3M on the back heel of the sneaker right here where it has the Pharrell Williams logo. And this one has the 3M where it has the Adidas logo. I think it's fire. Red sock liner. And let's be honest, like the Adidas Human Race NMD is still one of the most comfortable pairs of sneakers out there. I think that the Yeezy model has done so well for Adidas that people kind of forget how important the NMDs were to Adidas. Like, let's not forget, I know the 750s are crazy. Oh, I mean, I'm sorry, not the 750, but I know the 350 is crazy, the 700, the 700 V3. Like, I know all those shoes do great, but when we bring it back to the beginning, the NMD is one of the shoes that started it all, especially when it comes to the boost material, the comfort, the prominent on the upper, all these things that Kanye kind of, and Adidas decided to go crazy on and actually, push the envelope. Yo, bro, these had a really big part. And I know a lot of people kind of moved on from this place, but I still have a lot of human races that I still wear in my day to day. I even work out in some because not only are they fashionable, bro, they're comfortable so you can work out in them. They're kind of multifaceted. You can do whatever in a pair of these. And I'm super excited that Adidas was able to send me this pair because, it's fire, bro. I'm not even sure when these were released, if they have a release date or anything like that. The card didn't have any information, but I will say these are tough. If y'all see these on, but I do know this though, usually the Adidas NMDs usually drop on the Adidas app. So if you guys gonna have Adidas app, then make sure you download that because that's pretty much the best way to get any sneaker, from restocks to Yeezy Day to the Pharrell Human Race NMD. That's your best bet. Just a few packages though, man. Nothing crazy, just a few packages I wanted to show y'all. And even a box, man. Even a box is kind of cool with the, and that's one of my favorite parts. Like I remember like when people was getting seeded things, like the packaging of how they get seeded things was so cool to me. And I kept them. Like a lot of my big packages that I were seeded with companies, I never got rid of. So in my closet, I used to have something behind me, but just because I moved into another apartment, I took some down. But I'm gonna keep this one. So I keep certain ones that's kind of cool because, I don't know, man, it's kind of cool, something you always dream about, and then when it actually come about, it's just like, one of them things where you're just like, damn, that actually happened. Regardless, Puma, thank you guys so much. Adidas, thank you guys so much for the packages, man. I love both sneakers you guys sent over, and they will be going into the rotation very soon. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel if you enjoy this content. Also, hey, look, do not forget, Instagram, Daily Reels. Do not forget to go follow me on IG because I actually posted these contents or this content of these two sneakers before I even uploaded it on YouTube. So, I kind of leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we'll be putting in that work though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.